Hey guys, it's Glitch Fun here. Today we're playing Subway Surfers, but I'm starting from the beginning. So I'm trying to act like this is my first time playing Subway Surfers, but it's not. I played Subway Surfers for a long time. So I need to enter my age. So I'm 10. How about care? I'm almost 11, so I don't care. Yay. Okay, I don't care. Let's change the soundtrack. To what? I want to do to relaxing. How about this? Oh. Oh, that song's Hawaii song. Okay, I'm just changing to Hawaii song because I'm not in the mood for Rado Carnival Festival. We're just playing the game. So let me try to start from the beginning. Yeah, I'm just doing it. Okay, hoverboard. Yeah, free hoverboard. Like hoverboard. Woman, okay. Jake, wow. Okay. Okay, I don't care about these. What is these? Okay, nice dude. Okay. Okay, just work it. Okay. Ah! Oh god, bro, why is it god? Whoa. Wow, that did obstacles. Hey, yeah. Oh, yep, I'm sorry, I did not know. I'll screenshot it. Okay, hey, welcome to Rado Carnival. Okay, Rado Carnival. What is this? Okay, what do I get? What are these? Hoverboard? I got a new character already? I got a new character already! Guys, I got a new character already? I just started the game. What? Who won? Oh, red team won? Cool. So, there's like green or red team, I think. I don't know. Yeah. Yo, I got a new character already. Guys, let me comment below if this character is cool. Because I don't know. Who are the people? Let me go check. Uh-oh. Whoa. Usually 100% coins. Oh. I got Yoti. I'm just starting with Jake. I'm not using Yoti yet. I don't know where these boards. Rado lowered. Rio. Oh, I got a new hoverboard! Yeah. What is this? Star Trail. I got a new carrot. I got Jake. And I caught 1 day left. Oh yeah, I've been playing Social for a long time, but I just want to start from the beginning. I'm just trying this hat. People didn't have before. Real Carnival. Okay. Higher multiplier, higher score. Multiplier, missions and multipliers. Score multipliers, finish missions, and... Okay, I don't give a fuck. Okay. Dude, how many keys I have now? Well, okay. Ah. I don't give a heck. I don't give a heck. I don't give a heck. Actually, I don't give a heck. Whoa. Turn off, turn on. Whoa. Turn off. Okay. Okay, let's just change this audio back to normal. Blah. Oh wait, I know something real quick. Where is Subway? Not that song, it's just Subway. Real Cedar, what? Sorry if I... Like, what? Oh, who cares? Oh, let me play the game. So I'm so sorry to start from the beginning. But just gonna start from the beginning, okay? Let me do that. And what to do? Oops. Oh gosh. Eee! Oh, sorry. Woman. I need that's it. Sorry, I don't know how to do. Okay. Wait. I'm back, so sorry. Okay, okay guys, I think I might end the video here because I'm bored. And I will do episode 2 probably tomorrow or Monday. So see ya!